Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop, and today we're going to be looking at hammer storage. Now I think I've come up with the best design for the storage of hammers. It takes up very little room on your wall and it's very simple to make. So let's get tinkering. First off, I need to find some lumber that will be suitable for this job. This is a very simple project and just needs two pieces of wood. This piece needs to be wide enough to hold your hammers and also accommodate some sides either side. The hammers are going to be held like this. So I think that's just about right. This isn't square, so the first thing I need to do is just square it all up, and then I'll just check it again to make sure it's long enough. This piece just needs to be long enough to make two sides. I'll put the straightest edge against the fence and use it to cut a new straight edge, which I'll use as a reference. Now with two straight and parallel edges opposite each other, I can use a sliding table to cut the ends square. I need to mark out where I'm going to put the standoffs and the hammers. I clean up the holes sanding by hand or using the oscillating spindle sander. I don't like measuring things, so whenever there's an opportunity to mark a part from another piece, I'll always do that. Now I'll glue the sides on. I then pilot the holes I'll use to attach it to the wall. And because I couldn't quite get it deep enough, I finish off with a cordless drill. All my other tool holders are black, so I decide to paint this one black as well. I'm going to use Ronseal weatherproof wood paint. It's a black satin and it's incredibly hard wearing. I've used it a lot and I really like it, but it is quite expensive. Now I just need to screw it to the wall. Well, that was a fail. So I think I can rescue this. If I push that in there like that nice and tight, it holds, but obviously a slight knock and it's going to come out. So what I'm thinking is if I add a couple of dowels either side, then if I knock it, the dowels will hold it in place. I do like the fact that all the wood has been reused. Even the dowels came from a bed that I rescued out of a skip. Well, that worked out okay in the end, and the addition of the two dowels to the mallet really does seem to work okay. If you've enjoyed this video, then please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.